Hi traders, welcome to the full market analysis for the 13th of November. Looks like the New York session is taking gold higher into a very strong buy zone. Did post this into the VIP room. So the VIP room gets the trading outlook. So I'll tell you not the numbers specifically, but the people on the signals will get more specific numbers like where the stop is, where the targets are. So I've given 3 targets just as a guide. So congratulations, we're making money again. Congratulations yesterday on the big moves yesterday, over 300 pips yesterday as well. So let's go into the markets while gold is enjoying itself going up again. There's a few things going on. What is this? The euro dollar. Oh, the euro dollar. There we go. So this is no, that's the New Zealand Canadian. Sorry, let me go to the euro dollar first. Looks like now that the shutdown has been resolved in the USA and everyone's back to work. So it looks like markets are now going to start generating lots and lots of profits, you'll be pleased to know. And so once we're back to normal, you can see that what happens is the prices start to move with high volume. Euro dollar up to 117.17. If you got in early, congratulations. Let's look at the DXY. Guess what? Yes, you guessed it. Further weakness down into this area here, as mentioned in the last few days. Continued downside is likely, and so the pound USD will go higher, but it's not in an uptrend. Sterling is still weak, so it's not the best trade in the world. Just flicking through, all these will be going up. This will be going down, but there's no convergence, divergence. US Canadian will be going mixed. US Swiss, congratulations on this move, going down even further today, of course, but a nice 128 pips there. It's taken out demand now, so we could have taken it down to this area for 200 and something pips, but don't forget we're long the euro dollar anyway, which is going to bank that 200 or 300 pips. Don't trade both. They do exactly the opposite to each other. That's the correlation, but choose the US Swiss to sell or the euro dollar to buy. The yens have rallied, as you can see, and we did have we've got a buy on the New Zealand, making money, fantastic. Euro yen, we got tripped out there for a small loss. Basically the yens are continuing up for now. New Zealand yen is up and in profit. Canadian yen is up, but pound yen is mixed, to say the least. Aussie Swiss to the downside. You've been very patient with this one, and the price is continuing down, heading for 50.98. New Zealand Swiss is not going our way. That's all right. We've got the Aussie Swiss, which is making our money for us. So if this gets stopped out, then at least we've got that. So we do get tripped out sometimes, but we do tend to have a hedge. So as the New Zealand Swiss gets stopped out, possibly, then the Aussie Swiss banks a whole lot more money. And that's the whole point of having those positions. Euro Aussie, what's happening here? Heading for target is going up. We had change of character here a week or so ago, and the price is heading up, heading for 18114. Euro Canadian, I did mention this in the last few days. Hopefully you're paying attention. Once we have the pullback, see that there? There's usually a big bounce into a demand area, and as I mentioned previously, there's usually a very big bounce. So this is heading for 164.27. New Zealand Canadian is working well. Put this signal in the VIP room, signal room. So with the signal room, you get the stops, you get the targets. It's up to you. I'm not bothered either way. And the Aussie Canadian, well, we've held on to this for quite some time, haven't we? It's to and fro in, heading for 92.20. I might get just bored with this eventually and close it and look for something else. Pound New Zealand, congratulations on this move, 490 pips last week, of course, and nothing else is going on. So gold is probably doing not much now, but nonetheless looking good. Have a wonderful day.